everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful wreath. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So let's begin and make this beautiful wreath. So if you don't want to make this wreath, you can always get it online as well. So this is from Amazon and you can get it for $9.22, and there are so many other options as well, like you can see $2,700, $1,800 as well. But if you don't want to spend that much money, you can make your own something like this. So for this I am taking these twigs from the tree. Now take the leaves off from the twigs. Now start making the wreath by joining the twigs all together. Keep on draping it until you see the wreath looks something like this. Now take a jute rope matching with the sticks and tie them all around to hold the wreath. And I will leave it to dry for a week or so. So once your wreath is completely dry, we will decorate it with these beautiful flowers. I've taken these artificial flowers from Westside. They have really nice and unique collection of artificial flowers. So if you're looking for some English colors like these, you can get it from Westside. And our wreath is completely dry, our flowers are ready. Now we'll decorate it. Now cut and place the flowers on the wreath and check where exactly you want the flowers to place. Once you've decided everything, take hot glue gun and start sticking them on the wreath. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Now once you've sticked all the flower on the wreath, and this time I'm making a bow, and to make this bow I'll be taking this jute ribbon. This is very easily available in any stationery shop or any decorative home decor shops. Now stick this beautiful bow on the wreath here, and to hang our wreath I'll be taking this jute rope and I'm going to tie a knot on the wreath here on the top. And last year I've already posted 2 videos on making wreath. So if you want to know more about making wreaths, you can go and check out those videos as well. And then I'm going to stick the bow on the rope. So our beautiful homemade wreath is ready. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.